Today we're going to open the 58mm Noct. As you can see, it's a very large box, so I'm going to need some help doing this. Cue Konstantin. Okay, so this box takes 2 people to unpack, and we'll show you why. Do you want to hold? There we go. So the 58mm Noct comes in a special presentation case, like that. Now, all right, before I open up the main event, the lens does come with 2 instruction manuals in different languages. Here's the English one. And the instruction book is quite a production in itself. And now for the lens. So inside the case, we have 3 accessory compartments. One section of the case is actually covered by this very interesting lens element breakdown. There are 2 spaces here to put accessories in and another small space here. And then the lens itself weighs a lot, and the lens hood is wedged in there. So first for the lens, and here it is. It has the information display like the 24-70 f2.8, which you can customize and change, and it also has a customizable function button. We've got the tripod foot. The front element there is an 82mm diameter, also like the 24-70, very, very large, the f2.8e lens. And the lens hood itself is actually a screw-in lens hood, so you would probably keep that on and then just have the pinch cap accessible through the lens hood like that. Let's see what it looks like on a camera. So this is cool. This is the distance scale in electronic form on there. And then if I press the display button, it shows me what aperture I'm at. And if I press it again, goes back to the distance scale. Now if I move the back ring, as you can see on the camera itself, it actually changes the aperture, and on the lens it gives you almost like a depth of field scale. If I press the display button again, then you can also see the aperture changing on the lens when I move that.